Making her green, making her green. Having fun on the lawn, just making her green. Sure looking green.
Alright guys, welcome back to the greener lawn. So welcome back to the greener lawn.
Did you say the greener lawn? Why would you
greener
say
lawn.
welcome back to the greener lawn?
I didn't say that.
That's what it sounded like.
No. So
Sorry.
welcome back to the greener lawn.
Let's run a little bit of baseline. You can pretty much see behind how every lawn is looking coming out right now. It is March. It is early. It is supposed to look this way. But we want to see if we can take this thing from like 0 to hero real quick and just give him the greenest lawn on the block like today. So there's going to be some equipment that we're going to be using. Number one is something I've never used before in my life, and it's that SunJoe Scarifier and Dethatcher thing. I know you guys have seen these millions of times. It's just not anything that I ever do, so I'm gonna run it. Ladies and gentlemen, the Little Tykes My First Lawn Equipment Package. If you follow along and do fun things with me, you know I like to leave things in the lawn, and I don't necessarily like to do this type of technique. What's cool about this is he doesn't have a ton of dead matter coming up, so that's pretty nice. Normally, I'd like to see a lot of this stay down because, hey, it's nutrients for your soil. But when we're starting at it, we're basically just resetting the lawn here, coming through, cutting it, pulling this stuff away. We are just going to make it green and beautiful fast, and the grass is going to be very low, which means that the soil is going to heat up quicker, which means the grass in turn will also turn greener faster. So, let's keep vacuuming.
I do have to point one thing out.
Yeah, oh, what?
It actually looks like it fits you, and look at how much taller you are than me.
It's true, it does fit me.
So it isn't a small little machine that doesn't fit those who are of larger stature.
Larger stature. The pullback really makes a big difference.
Yes. Yeah, because it really digs those tines in. And we're having another one coming. It really doesn't matter if I break this one.
Burn it up.
Let's burn it up. Let's do this thing. Sure looking green. All right, section 2. You can see right there where the SunJoe is. That's our line. Done all the way over there. So you can definitely see that this is all green. It's made a huge difference just to pull that dead material out. That's the old grass from last year. And now that that's all out, it's made a huge difference. You can definitely see how much greener it is than up there. You can definitely see that.
Making her green. Greenest on the block, we're making her green. Even there's more grass to come out of it. Oh yeah. If you wanted to keep going at the with the thingamajig. That's what that's called, right?
Yeah, the thingamajig.
The thingamajig.
Yeah.
Seems like it. That's what I would call it.
song in a mow. Every time he walks by, he sings me a little song while he's mowing my lawn. I'm loving it.
Who doesn't like making their lawn green, making her green? Yeah.
So you're gonna ask, does dethatching, getting rid of this dead grass, this dead material that's built up, does dethatching with a SunJoe, does using a power rake, do these things actually help your lawn? I'll let you be the decision maker on that. What do you think? Because I have a pretty darn stark line right there. And I'll let you make the decision. What do you think? I would recommend you get out, you remove it. If you have a SunJoe like we used, it definitely is a beast of a product. Gets in there, removes it super quick. You mow it up, get rid of that material. It works. This week's question, have you gotten out onto your lawn yet? Have you went out and raked it? Have you got some air down into those root zones? It makes a huge difference. It gives you the green pop that you're looking for. Just saying, have you done that? That's your question. Leave it down in the comments down below. We would like to know, yes, when I say we, it's gonna be me and John. We would love to know what you've done to your lawn yet. Have you taken it green from, have you done it yet? Oh, I was gonna get you while you were down.
Oh, not this time, Jeremy.
Stood up on me, and this is where it really becomes apparent that he's a lot taller than I am. I am 6'1" though, I swear.
Liar.
On a good day?
5'8".
Okay, we'll take it. So it's 6'1" and 5'8".
Yeah, wait, what?
Can I do 6'1" and 5'8"?
6'1" and 5'8".
There we go. All right, yeah. So we have just done this over here. We ran the dethatcher. We have mowed up this stuff, and you can see a clear line right across here. John, what do you think my next step should be since we've only done this single patch?
I think you're gonna have to do much more work.
Okay.
Like a lot more. Like probably the rest of it. That would be my next tip.
Okay.
Is finish. See, the beauty of these, I really like to start projects and then leave, which is what I'm gonna do right now. But here's really what we're seeing. Everything I mentioned earlier is we are opening up the ground a little bit. We're getting a little more sunshine. We're getting a little more heat on here. We're clearing out the dead matter, and so it's just going to kind of take that yellowish tinge away and make it stick out against everybody else's that's out here, which is kind of nice.
Exactly, exactly. So with that said, these are spring tips that you can definitely be doing in your lawn to make yourself have that quick early domination. As John said, it's more about the domination than so much a lot of the other stuff. I'm Jeremy of the Greener Lawn.
And I'm John on Jeremy's Greener Lawn.
Make her green.
Who doesn't like making their lawn green? Who doesn't like making their lawn green, making her green? Yeah.